What is up, everyone? Hello. Here's another watch list. Today's Sunday, February 19th. Happy Sunday to you all. Go to church if you didn't. This watch list is for February 20th, Monday. So it'll be good information for Monday's trading day. I'm going for usually intraday trades, maybe some swing trades, watching out for the opposite of what my ideas are, usually long, of course, and then I'm also watching for consolidations to start right after they show up on my scans. But anyways, here we go. Ready with the list. We got nope. Ready with this list starting on OKYO. OKYO Pharma. OKYO Pharma. Anyways, this stock is at $3.08 currently. Relative volume was 4.3. 58 cents average trading range. OKYO is offering 5.4 million depository shares, and this stock is ripping up above IPO levels. IPO opened at 449 or 450 a share for OKYO. Next up, we got Otter, OTTR, Otter Tail Corp, currently at 71.15 a share. Relative volume 4.3, $2.25 trading range, $2.9 billion market cap for OTTR. News is they're joining the S&P 600. Volume is increasing, and it's a nice breakout above 200-day and this consolidation range, and that one too. That is OTTR. Next up, PHVS. Favaris. All right, this stock is currently at $8.69 a share. Relative volume 4.2, 72 cents daily trading range, $294 million market cap. IPO levels got crushed pretty much, but it's still recent enough that this could be in play. Let's see, lower end of the consolidation has a gap here, possibly actually failing the 50-day moving average right now, or it's about to set up for a golden cross. This one's a tough one, but I'm just putting it there because the chart is interesting with these IPO levels. PHVS. Next on the list, we got DKNG, DraftKings. DraftKings currently at $20.50 a share. Relative volume was 4.1. Heavy volume coming off of the earnings. Average trading range $1.12. $9.2 billion market cap for DraftKings. DraftKings, I would call this trade like a solid grade A trade. At least for the news purposes, the chart looks really good too, in my opinion. Ready for a breakout. DraftKings beats on earnings per share, beats on sales, and raises guidance for full year 23. Price targets at $24 and $26 recently announced. And obviously this chart has a ability to make some type of a bottom in this moment here. Claim of the 50-day golden crossover of the 200-day failed and is now back in play. Downtrend lines coming in up around $30 a share. DraftKings needs to break out above the $21.50 range and $24-$25 range to target $27.50 and $30. DraftKings looking good, I think, at this moment. All right, next on the list, CTLP, Cantaloupe Inc. This one's shown up a couple times. I'm just popping it back in just for a quick refresher. It looks like the golden cross is literally occurring now. The news that originally made it show up was earnings drop. Earnings per share was in line, and the sales beat by $2.5 million. CTLP currently at $5.95 a share. Relative volume 3.5. Trading range 33 cents, $435 million market cap. Okay, now we got HubSpot, Hubs, Hubs. This trade is another earnings drop trade. I'd be looking for a second, third day continuation after the earnings drop, whatever you want to call it. Let's see. Hubs comes in with current price of $4.05.10 per share. Relative volume 3.2. $19 trading range per day. Holy crap. $19.9 billion market cap. HUBS, HubSpot. Beats on earnings per share by 30 cents. Beats on sales by $24 million. Golden Cross just occurred, and price targets for HUBS around 450, 470, 480, and 500, with a current share price at 405. If the trading range is correct, that could happen within literally 1 week. HUBS. I feel like this trade is a possible grade A trade rating as well, just like I rated DraftKings. Next on the list, INDI, INDI Semiconductors. Currently $10.06 a share, relative volume 2.7, 50 cents average trading range, $1.2 billion market cap for INDI. Targets are around 1075 and 1075 here, and 1170 about here, give or take. Next up, for INDI, price targets from major banks are at $12, $13, $14, $15 price targets, all up in this range here, so that's positive signs as well for INDI. And we got the next one on the list, SNAL, SNAL Inc. IPO level is currently in play right now, active. Gaming company has a game for the Switch, Nintendo Switch, called Arc, and they just dropped a new expansion pack or something, you might call it. Relative volume is 2.1. Current share price is $2 a share. 17 cents average trading range, $76 million market cap for SNAL. Next up, we got SIMO, Silicone Motion Technology, SIMO, coming off earnings a week ago. Miss on earnings per share, but the sales beat by $6 million for SIMO. Relative volume, currently, by the way, $70.45 a share. Relative volume, $1.7.85 average trading range, $2.3 billion market cap for SIMO. Next on the list, INZY, Inozyme Pharma. INZY has a current share price of $2.80. Relative volume came in at 0.9, 33 cents average trading range, and $117 million market cap. INZY price targets at $20 and $24 a share by major banks, which is insane. Current price $2.80. Released positive top-line data for something called ENPP1 deficiency therapy they have for INZY. Next on the list, AMAM, $3.27 a share, showing up on our list again. Relative volume 0.4, average trading range 40 cents a day, $126 million market cap for AMAM. This is new. The news was they released some positive data for a phase 1 prostate cancer treatment test. Next on our list, LAW, LAW. Interesting chart. This one I'm not even sure about. Both ways is possible. Strength before the earnings is coming up on 2/23, which is like this upcoming week here. Maybe like Wednesday or Thursday. Bank of America and Citi are showing downgrades to neutral and underperform, with price targets around $8 a share. Earnings are upcoming, and the claim of the 50-day has happened, but we'll see. This thing may not go well, or it might go completely just crazy back to the 200. Tough call. I'm not hopeful for LAW, just interested in it. ALB is next on our list. Albemarle Marley Corp. I don't know. ALB. Let's call it that. Price targets are mostly higher except for one at 240. Current share price is 262 a share. Relative volume for ALB is 3.9 and average trading range $12.21 a day. $30.2 billion market cap for ALB. Death cross recently, but can be a fake out or a failure of that exact thing has happened here. This is ALB. Price targets are mostly at the higher ranges here for ALB as well. Next on the list, AN AutoNation. AutoNation is breaking out huge. Currently at 156.75 a share. Relative volume 3.8, $5.09 average trading range, $7.7 billion market cap. Earnings per share and sales beats for their recent earnings. New car revenue up 8%, which is pretty good, I think, for them selling new cars. Excuse me, burping on the mic, huh? How about that? You're welcome. Price targets raised to $180 by CFRA, whoever that is. All right. And then we got Adobe. Adobe is on the list here. Gosh, now I have hiccups. At $356.85 a share. Relative volume 0.7. Average trading range $10.73 a day. $163.3 billion market cap for Adobe, ADVE. Golden Cross is about to occur, and it currently just retested the moving averages, which it's respected extremely well for a while here. So we'll see. We will see. It's either going to gap down or this thing's going to hold and get above the 200-day moving average. Adobe is going to be in play, I think, for sure. Last couple things I wanted to show here is Walmart. Possible support area for Walmart, Home Depot, all these major players, Dow names, S&P 500 names, things like this. HD possible support area. Volume coming in as well. Procter Gamble, PG. Possible support area. Confirmed or not, who knows, but possible support area being hit for PG. McDonald's, also the same thing, I think. It's at the high end of the support, but this range here, for sure, this could be something after it had a resistance area with it. Now it's possibly a support. Could be going back up towards 280. McDonald's. Intel, something similar. This stock has been getting crushed, though. I'm not too hopeful for this stock. Can't even hold the 50-day moving average here, it looks like. But that could all be something like what you hear about is called the rotation or the rotation play. All those names showing up on the heavy volume scanner. And all these names make up the watch list. Thank you for checking in for another watch list. Have a good rest of your weekend. If you catch it on Sunday, maybe you catch it Monday morning. Tomorrow, thank you for that too. I appreciate you guys being prompt on the game, trying to get involved. Well, you guys have a good day. Thanks for checking in.